Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for always watching my videos. For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a cake board using the only available materials in my house. And this tutorial is made because of the request of Miss Radu in one of my videos. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step procedure and how to DIY a cake board. But before I proceed, may I ask you to please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell button for you to be notified in my next uploads. Also, if you have any reaction or any request, you can comment below. Okay, let us now start. The material that we will be needing in making a cake board is a sturdy board, of course, because we are going to put the cake on it. So I have here a box of the milk of my child, and I can see that this is good enough for the cake board material, so I will be using it for this tutorial. Okay, now I already have two pieces of the board and I'll have to draw a circle on it. But I don't have a compass or any round object that is of the same size of the board that I'm going to make. So I preferred to use a strip of the board in order to make a circle. And I'm going to show you how this piece of board will help you to make a circle. So the first thing is we will have to get the radius, since the size of the board that I'm going to make is 10 inches round. So we will get the half of that, which is 5 inches, and make a point on this strip. Then we will make a hole on one point so we can insert the pencil. But if you're going to do it, make sure that the hole is just enough to insert the pencil, not so big. Okay, now it's ready, and I'm going to use this pencil in order to hold one point of the strip of the board. In doing this, guys, make sure that this pencil will not move when you move around the strip of the board, so you have to hold it properly. Okay, now we will just move the strip of the board clockwise or counterclockwise, any direction, as long as that the pencil on the other hand is not moving. That's it. And now, before I make the perfect circle, I'll have to cut first the extra material around the circle in order for me to have enough space to move around my hand. And now I can start cutting on the line of the circle. You just have to make sure that you are cutting exactly on the line, not outside and not inside the circle. And now I have it, so it's done. I'll have to make another one circle because I want to use 2 pieces in order to make it stronger. What I'm going to do is just make the first one as a pattern and trace it out like this. So I'm using a double-sided tape to attach these 2 boards to each other. Okay, it's done. And to cover this board, I'm going to use this aluminum foil. Since this is round, I'll have to cut the extra foil into several pieces. Small pieces only, guys, so that we can have a perfect side of the board, a smooth side of the board. And make sure that when you are cutting it, you have to cut it slanting. Okay, one side is done. We will have to cover also the other side, and in doing this, I'll just have to cut a circle in the aluminum foil, and I'm just going to attach it on the other side. Okay, so it's completely done. Now, I already have a 10 inches cake board. Look, this is it. This is now our output. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And for my next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to DIY a cake drum using the cake board that we have prepared now.